In this video I will show you the difference between using the natural light and using a flashlight with my Canon r10. Of course we have a beautiful location with beautiful sunlight, and we're going to see if we have so much difference between these two type of lightings. So if you don't know me and you like content of photography, please follow me here to see more videos like this. And of course let's go see what we can get with this video. Of course I will use my lens 85mm, and let's go start these photos. For this first test I only use the natural light to see how we can get a beautiful photo and see the difference between the both photos. Here we have the first photo, of course without flashing, only natural light, and of course I guess it's beautiful, but we can make this photo better with flash like we can see right now. For me, I don't know why, but I feel like we have more contrast in this photo and more beautiful lights and colors too. So right now we can see the difference between these photos, and let me know what you guys think about the difference between these. Now as you can see, I changed the location to change the photos and see what the results looks like in the shadows too. The first photo I'm going to show it will always be without flashing, and the second one using the flashlights. Now as you can see, this is the photo without flash. The results even without flashing is good, depending of course on where we are, the light will be perfect. In some cases we don't have a big difference between the photo using flash and without flash. It won't always be necessary to use flash in all situations, but if you are on the team that uses flash, we always see a big difference using flash. At this moment we don't have a big difference. It won't be even necessary to use the flash here. In some cases it's okay to stop using the flash, but if you want to darken the background and still have a good light, the flash will help you with that. The next two photos we are taking using flash, and even so the light looks like very natural, which is a result that I like so much using flash, so as not to make the light too harsh. The time you are going to photograph will also influence whether or not you will use flash. If you are 1 hour later, for example, it would be interesting to use flash. Because of sunlight we can have an interesting and beautiful result by combining natural light and flashlight. As we can see, the result at times appears to be very similar and changing the color tone of the photo. Just remember that all the photos you can see in this video were not edited. They are photos straight from the camera, okay? They were not edited to see the real difference when taking photos in real time. So let me know what you guys thinking about these photos until now. Of course you can see more photos and more testing lights, so let's go. At the time I had a problem with my flash that didn't want to work, but the first photo was without flashing, and soon after we have the comparison. But in these situations the change was very little. In this case, for example, we could just use natural light. And here we have the photo with natural light, and the result was really good. I still think the background is a little brighter than I like, but without the flash this is the results. Remember that I am using a Godox flash and radio flash too, using my Canon r10 with 85mm lens for this photo shoot. And tell me what you think about watching videos in this style, and if you are liking this video, leave a like and follow me to see more videos like this about photography, because I will try to post more videos and try to teach you guys how to take better photos here on YouTube. This is the photo using flashlight, but as you can see the difference is little. Taking advantage of the fact that we are getting to the end of the video, I wanted to know what team you are, team natural light or team flashlight. I always like to use flashlight even if in some cases it's not necessary, but the results always make me happy using flash. But I really want to know what you prefer. So please use the comments here to tell me this. To some people's curiosity, I am using my flash in high-speed sync to be able to use my high speed on my camera and still have a photo with controlled light. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to see more videos in this style, follow me and leave a like so I can understand that you liked this video, and tell me what kind of video and comparison in photography you want to see here. And hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in another video. Bye.